Here's something that I've learned in life. You've got to ignore the haters. You've got to ignore the doubters. You've got to do what you want to do. It's your life. You've got to make the most of your time. You're not living someone else's life. It's your life. You've got to put in the effort every day. You've got to make the changes. You can't change where you were born. You can't change your past, but you can change your future by doing something every day. Do something today to change your tomorrows. Do something every day to make your life better. Now, I need to ask you a favor. If you enjoy these giveaway videos and you enjoy these free courses, please make sure that you watch the entire video, because if you don't, it really affects my YouTube statistics. Please also subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and click on the bell to get notifications, because that really helps my reach on YouTube. The more people I can help, the happier I'll be. But I'm kind of limited by the YouTube algorithm. If you don't help me get bigger reach on YouTube, not that many people are going to see this video. So to help more and more people see this video, to help the reach of this video, please like it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click on the bell to get notifications. That helps me, but it also helps others with the reach of this video and helps more people get access to the courses for free. You know, when people tell me, David, you shouldn't be giving away your courses for free, you shouldn't be creating such low-cost content, it tells me that I'm doing the right thing. When people tell me, don't create more courses on Udemy, don't create free content on YouTube, don't do this, don't do that, I ignore all those people because I know that I'm doing the right thing. What's important for me is to help you change your life, and I ignore all the haters, and I suggest you do the same. Ignore those people that tell you that you can't do it. Ignore those people that don't have your best interest at heart. Do what's right for you and your family, and ignore all the haters. So today I'm going to give away a huge amount of content. Haters will be haters. People will complain. You've got to ignore those people, and I'm ignoring them, and I'm going to make the most of my time, and I'm going to help as many of you as I can. It's a huge goal of mine to reach 1 million students on Udemy. I really want to thank all of you who have enrolled in my courses on Udemy. I've got over 820,000 students on Udemy at the moment. Really want to thank all of you who have purchased one of my courses, who have enrolled in one of my courses. Big goal for 2021 is to reach 1 million students on Udemy and hopefully 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Please help me reach those goals by telling more and more people about the content that I give away. Today is a very big day. A lot of you are going to get CCNA content for free, CCNP ENCOR, as well as CCNP ENARSI. But a lot of you have also asked for automation content, so I'm going to be giving away my Python for Network Engineers course, as well as my Ansible for Network Engineers course. A lot of you have asked for content that's not beginner content, so you have the opportunity today to get the ENCOR course as well as the ENARSI course for free. If you can support us, then please buy the courses for $10. But if you can't support us, don't worry, get the courses for free. Over 200,000 people have enrolled in my Python for Network Engineers course. This is the future. You can't just be a traditional network engineer. You need to learn network automation. So get my Python course, get my Ansible course. The feedback I've had on my Python course has been fantastic. A lot of people have told me that they found that this course has been of great value to them. So use this course and learn how to automate networks. It will give you a good introduction and a good start to network automation, but then go and get your DevNet certifications. Now, I know a lot of you have asked for the hacking course. That's not one of the giveaways today, but don't worry. I will be running another giveaway where you can get the hacking course for free. But today I'm going to focus on Cisco content, so CCNA, CCNP, as well as network automation. Now, on my last giveaway, a lot of people commented that they had problems getting access to the courses for free. That's not something I was doing. It looks like Udemy were limiting certain parts of the world, so certain geographies or certain countries in the world were limited from getting access to the courses for free. Some of you also commented on solutions to that. Some of you said that you used VPNs. My solution is typically that you should open up a private browser window or incognito on Chrome. So open up a private browser window, and that sometimes solves the problem. But in some cases, it doesn't. So people have commented that what they've done is open up a VPN, and they've also had to register with a new account. So this is not something that I can control. Those solutions may or may not work for you. But what I've done is I've added additional links where you can get access to the courses on my website. So if you can't get access to the courses on Udemy, you can register on my website and get access to the courses on davidbombal.com. My aim, once again, is to help as many of you as possible. Now, I've said this many, many times, and I'll say it again. If you want to support Kevin and I, if you want to buy the courses to support us, then please use the links below to get the courses for $10. But if you can't afford the courses, once again, the world has been disrupted in the last 2 years. There's been major problems for many people. If you've lost your job or you can't afford the courses, don't worry. Get the courses for free. If you're from a part of the world where $10 is a lot of money for you, then get the courses for free. Don't worry about it. Get the courses for free. But what I would ask is that you go and help someone that could never repay you. So go and help someone improve their lives.